Welcome back, guys. Today I'm in Chiang Mai in Thailand's north. More specifically, I'm in a sleepy district called Mae Rim. We're about 40 minutes outside of Chiang Mai Old Town, which you'll know if you've been to Chiang Mai or you've just been watching Chiang Mai videos. All are about the Old Town pretty much. But today we thought we'd come out, check out somewhere different. This place is most famous for being part of the Samuen Loop in the Mae Sa Valley. It's absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. We're out in the countryside, and as always, I'm on the hunt for some authentic regional Thai food. All right, so it's morning time. It's our second day here. I've got up early. I've gone for a walk because I've found some old recipe tom yum noodles. Let's go.เอาหมูหนึ่งเนื้อหนึ่งครับหมูเนื้อหนึ่งครับเจาะหมูเนื้อหนึ่งเส้นอะไรอร่อยที่สุดนะอร่อยที่สุดบะหมี่หนึ่งเส้นเล็กหนึ่งครับเจาะ Alright, so what we got here? We got some pak chi, some coriander root, ใบเตยใช่ไหมเจาะใบเตยค่ะwhich is pandan. Oh look. Bones. Okay, so we've got pork on one side, beef on the other side. This looks unreal.ก๋วยเตี๋ยวต้มยำต้มยำไม่ชอบหวานนะเอาหวานเนาะมักเผ็ดเหรอค่ะเผ็ดได้นะครับ Just going to blanch these for a couple of seconds. Oh, the beef looks unreal. Right, so I'm going to get one of each because I couldn't decide what to get. So we've got some pak chi thon hom กระเทียมเจียว peanutsน้ำพริกสกู๊ปน้ำพริกนะเจ้ามักเผ็ดเนาะครับShe's just topped us off with a nice fresh lime. Alright, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to finish 2 bowls because these are absolutely massive. Plus, I've promised to go back and have breakfast with Finley back at the hotel, which, by the way, is absolutely amazing. Best rice soup I've ever had at a hotel, and the hotel itself is really, really nice. But I'll tell you a little bit more about that later on. So what should I go for first? I think I'll go for the beef first. All right, I'm going to try a bit of this flank steak first. Whoa, that is absolutely insane. Look at that level of fat. That is absolutely ridiculous. It's literally just like stewing beef with a piece of fat running the whole way through the middle. And it has been stewed until it's absolutely melts in your mouth. All right. Now, I wouldn't usually get beef tom yum. I don't know why. Not out of like, I wouldn't want to usually eat it. I just never really think to order it. The soup is incredible. Absolutely packed full of flavour. It's salty, it's a little bit sweet from that chili paste. Really sour from the fat wedge of fresh lime juice she gave me. A lot of places in Bangkok use vinegar, which there's nothing wrong with. I like it with vinegar as well, but it's really nice when you get that fresh bit of lime to squeeze on yourself, as we'll be doing later on with the khao soi. Oh, hold on, look, I've just moved the noodles out the way. Just get on the colour of this soup. It's extremely spicy. Very, very savoury. Umami, if you will. There's so much going on. You've got the fresh pak bung. The morning glory, that's really crunchy. Then you've got the crispy fried garlic, kind of flavouring the whole soup. But it's all about the chili paste that she puts in. It's reminiscent of something I had in Luang Prabang called jiao suki that they have with lao pho. Not just in Luang Prabang. I've had it in Pak Se, VNTM, but I remember it clearly from Luang Prabang. And that's what it reminds me of. This is unbelievable. Unlike any soup I've had before. It's very unique. Right, next up, onto the pork. So onto the pork, we've got those pork slices that have been stewing away. Yeah, look, freshly cut as well, freshly cut shoulder of pork. Same vegetables, same sauce. Let's go down deeper and get that, show you that straight away. Look at the colour. I haven't added any chili to this at all. It's like mudang without the dang, without the red. There's another shop I know cooks it like this in Talap Blue. Stick a link to that, best banh mi shop I know. And this is like this is just like traditional Chinese way of cooking pork for soups. Okay, so the broth for the pork is completely different. It's lighter. It's a touch sweeter, but so good. Right, so I love the rice noodles, I love the pork. I love the fact that every bite from both soups, you're getting some crunch, either from bean sprouts or the pak bung, or you're getting a little bit of crispy garlic, the cabbage. There's also some lettuce in here. And that's quite common in noodle soups, especially up in the north, to get cooked lettuce, which I actually prefer. Some people think it's weird, but if you read old ancient cookbooks in England, we used to cook lettuce as well. Like, you know, if you follow my videos, I eat tom yum a lot. But these are like two very, very unique dishes. This is going to be hard to top today, guys. Right. I can't pick a winner, guys. They're both a winner. You're going to have to come down and eat both. I'll tell you about the restaurant. The restaurant itself, classic Northern Thai up in the hills restaurant. Just open. It's their house with a restaurant at the front. Like wooden house. Few tables at the front under shelter. But yeah, classic Northern Thai restaurant. Classic Northern Thai hospitality. Very, very nice. Bye-bye. Owner. And best of all, the soup is only 40 or 50 baht, depending on which one you get. So absolute bargain. Really, really unique soup, as I said. Stick this on your list. This one could be worth travelling for. If you're mad for noodles like me, I'd drive from Chiang Mai to come and eat this, for sure.